Are you wondering what I am doing? Today is April 17, 2026, and do you know it's a new moon today? And the best part about this new moon is that it is happening in Aries, the first zodiac sign. Aries, which represents start, which represents creation, beginning, and I am beginning my new journal. This is a new journal which I am starting today to write all my intention, all my affirmations, and all my vision I have for this year. Yes, all of us have made vision board in January, but I don't make my vision board in January. I make my vision board in April on the full moon and the new moon, because around that time the moon and the sun, both of them are in Aries sign. When the sun comes in Aries, that is Mesh Sankranti. I made a video about it, right? Have you seen that? It was on 14th of April, and on 19th of April we have Akshaya Tritiya. So this is a big gateway of abundance which is open right now from the Mesh Sankranti to Akshaya Tritiya. But today you have to do one more thing than setting your intention and visions. You have to write everything which makes you sad, which makes you angry, which makes you hopeless. Yes, because once you write all of those things, you are emptying out all the negative emotions from your system, from your body, from your mind, and from your aura. And once you have emptied it out, then there will be new space for new abundance, new blessings, new experiences for which you can be grateful for. And what you have to do, you have to write all of those things, what blessings, what abundance you want on Akshaya Tritiya on 19th of April. So when you are emptying things out from your system, then only you can fill that space with new things, new experiences, new blessings. So this is my journal to write my intentions, my blessings, and empty my heart out with all my emotions. I am going to journal in this journal till I have emptied my heart out. I have written everything which is going on in my mind, in my heart. So what are you doing? And one another thing which I am doing on Dash Amavasya, which is today, is starting a book which helps me rewrite my journey, rewrite my story. This book is Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself. It goes with the theme of this new moon, setting the intention for the betterment. But how can you set that intention? You have to empty out all the negative emotions about you. Let me just pull out one page for you. 3 brains: thinking, to doing, to begin. When you think, then you do, then you become. Do you want me to open one more page for you? I like this whenever I want universe to give me any message and I am very confused about it, or I want a confirmation from universe. Overcoming your body. So this again proves my message to you on this new moon, that you have to empty out your emotions, your thought process which are not aligning with your timeline right now, and the kind of personality you want in your life. Do you match with that timeline? Do you have that personality? Do you have those traits? Do you have that personality? Do you have those habits? You have to check all of those things, and then you have to journal so that new beginnings can happen in your life. The abundance which you are waiting for can come into your life. So tell me, what things are you going to start today, and what intentions, and what one bad habit you are going to leave, you are going to remove from your life today and in this week, because I have told you this is an amazing pathway, the gateway to abundance from Mesh Sankranti to Akshaya Tritiya.